Jamaica by Peter Gracey. This is Jamaica. This is my country. A son of this island, a daughter of this land. Fears of fear, I stand in awe. All of words secured in God's hands. This is Jamaica, joy cometh in morn, surrounded by mystic waters, crashing onto the shore. Where all the heroes are born. Only if you knew Jamaicans, I do you utter. I love you, Jamaica, God knows I do. This is Jamaica, simple speck in the universe. Simple speck in the universe. Heartbeats and pulse in every nation, but on second to killer of God, we put Jamaica first. I am Jamaican, regardless of where I find me. Black, green, and gold is tomorrow in my bones. So if I die away from my island, I pray to God you take me home.